if an attorney wanted to work with you guys, what is the process? What would I have to go to the website? Do I call or email? How do I get involved and learn more and also get involved?
Well, obviously, you can email me directly at enrique@immigrationtherightway.com. But in our webpage, John, we made it very easy for attorneys. So if you go to immigrationtherightway.com, or if you go to migracionalminuto.com, because we also obviously did it in Spanish, there's a section that is called attorneys. Put in your name and we will get in contact with you. And then what I've been doing is, with certain lawyers, everybody has a different area of specialty. And so I tell the lawyers, pick 3 or the 4 areas that you like the most, that you're most passionate in immigration about. And then what are your standard prices? What I'm telling the lawyers is, give me your best price, not when you are busy with 10 clients in queue and you're waiting to pop out all the documentation for them, but in the weeks where your traffic flow is lower, give me your best pricing for that, because what I want to make it also for the consumer is a bit more affordable. And as we know in immigration, there are several tiers of clients. You have your corporate clients, which typically, will pay you and cover your fees and not have an issue. Then you have more of the ones that seek other sort of visas, like investor visas and others that come equipped with a bigger budget for it. But then there's the other ones that are, more middle class oriented, that are very watchful of what they spend. And eventually, for those, we want to make it more affordable. So that's pretty much what we did in that regard.
That you mentioned, the website has another version in Spanish version, which is really important because the immigration bar deals so heavily with the Spanish speaking community. Could you say the name of that page as well again?
Yeah, absolutely. It's called Migración al Minuto.
Immigration al Minuto. My Spanish sucks. Immigration in a minute or something, or what does that translate to?
Yeah. It's pretty much like minute immigration. What we wanted to do in Spanish is to pretty much tell the client, you can be on your phone en español y puedes sacar la página y mandarnos de tu teléfono una entrevista rápida. What we did in Spanish too, John, is we adapted the software to be phone friendly. So at least you start going through the interview quick. And we call it Migración al Minuto because the idea was, we're going to take away the time that it takes to call the lawyer, to set a meeting, to go to their office, to travel, to sit with them. And then we're going to make it all at your fingertips and in your computer so that you can release it and go.
Now, if someone signs up for Immigration the Right Way, are they automatically on the Spanish site too, or is it how does it work with both of them? Are they separate things?
Well, they're actually one click of a button, and the software converts you into total Spanish or total English.
Okay.
And eventually, what we're planning to do, John, is not ignore our other brothers in other parts of the world, and eventually start getting into other languages. But when we launched, the interview is not just to Google Translate in Spanish or English. We actually crafted it very careful so that the lingos and language mannerisms are embedded into the interview in Spanish. We put a lot of thought into it. So English and for the lawyers too, because they have I know of a lot of lawyers, especially here in California and in Nevada, that deal with their clientele primarily in Spanish.
Yeah. Yes, that's why the Spanish option is there. I'm sure people who sign up are going to want to be on that page too. That's going to be a great service.